Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well. Blow drying for my hair, for men, for women with short hair. This was my previous device. I've used it for over a year, obsessed with it. The only thing, pretty big, and though I coped with it, pun intended, it has to go. This is the more petite version and this will be the first time I'm using it. I want to show it to you guys. I also want to show exactly what it looks like side by side. So if you are looking at getting either of these devices, it's really important to know that there is a big size difference. Yeah, I'll finish with the puns. Step 1. On shampooed hair, apply your favorite prepping spray, heat protectant, volumizing spray, whatever you want. I like this because it claims to help your hair grow longer. It basically just helps to repair any damage and prevent any breakage. Smells incredible. It smells like Dark Temptations Lynx, if you know that reference. Smells like chocolate. Step 2, using your favorite mousse. So I use this for extra hold. I really like it. It's great for finer hair, and I think this is great advice for anyone with finer hair. They totally ripped off Paco Rabanne's Spice Bomb, so if you like that fragrance, you will love this. I'll apply it with a brush, basically just to make sure I get every single hair coated. And then I like to flatten down the sides, so I'm already kind of sectioning my hair. The first setting is cold. Second setting, nice and hot. Hot enough? Yep. My tip for the majority of the hair is to benefit from the forward rolling motions. You're kind of bringing the curl towards you as opposed to away from you. It never was the way I thought it would be. I always thought to get volume and lift and everything like that, you would actually need to kind of push it away and up. But in this way, it's kind of folding it over itself and it's kind of giving you that root opposite. Really hard to explain, but it really works. On days that I do not use this, my hair is flatter, then it's very flat. My top tip for a real kind of barbershop look, focus on going along with the hair growth to buff down the sides. What this does is it gives a really nice separation, that kind of very gentry look. I then go through the hair all over again from back to front, as you can see here that I'm doing with a forward motion, kind of rolling forward. And there is no real technique other than, you know, just seeing how it looks, adding a little bit more as and when, but you can already see now how the kind of the curls and waves sort of overlap each other and obviously protrude quite a lot. The same went with the other barrel when I did my first video, which will be up on the top right corner right now if you want to go check it out. But right now I'm showing you a way that you can kind of just tone it down a little bit if you're not feeling too Phoebe Buffet poodle. Hey guys, a little up close. I just thought I would show you the way that it kind of separates the two areas nicely. It gives a really nice gloss to the hair. This is also due to the products that I've been using, but both of these products are purchasable from Boots UK. I hope you guys liked this sort of video. It's ultra short, ultra quick. I hope you check out some of the rest of the videos that I've been uploading recently. Have an amazing day and I will see you in the next video. Bye. And if you want to join and subscribe, I would adore that. And I appreciate it to the nines.